Came out this morning to fire up the 135, my diesel, and I think we have a loose wire, broken wire from the key switch. So I will show you how, I guess, two different ways that I use to get this thing going. All right, got nothing there. All right, so just keep the key in the on position. All right, so the first way I'll show you what I do is, I do not recommend, because you can actually spark and destroy the studs to your starter, but this is one method. I just take my wrench, negative and positive, and then go ahead, connect the two. All right, now this is the safer way. I just have the little remote starter switch right here. Just connected the negative and positive to each one of the leads. And then for this one, all you do is just press the trigger.